are you doing? What are you doing? Fuzzy Neighbourhood Squeaky Toy. Well, yeah, you're gonna do that. Catula. If you want to do it with this handle, you already tore it up last night. Catula. Soft. 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 Of course, naturally, I learned from these guys, so I want to be a brat myself. Right back to you. Strum your stripes to the riff of Jive Talking. What do you think? Soft? Yeah. You don't want to be put on your body right now. You just purely want your head. You're such a cat. You're gonna swat me if I don't put you only on your head. Well, I admire the fact that you can just make yourself at home anywhere. Neighborhood Fuzzball vibrating himself to sleep. Sort of.